Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, we're going to take a look at what's been going on in April. So I've been working on a few bits and pieces in the background which I am trying to put the videos together for. So I've done a bit of work on the Subaru. So I've removed the front diff, I've allowed it to have a bit more steering angle because you haven't got the drive shaft limiting it anymore. I've trimmed the interior, got that fitted where I want it. So I just need to paint that up. I think we'll go with the visor closed helmet on it rather than visor open because the paint job's going to be terrible. Also got the new wheels on it because the others were broke, but you'll see that in more detail on the video for it. Also got a little gyro for it, so we'll have a little mess about with this. Redo bits of the trim that are hanging off on the windows there, so we'll sort that all out. You may have also seen with the switch adapters that Time Tunnel models are actually decided to stock a few of them, so they're for sale up on their website. I'll put a link to their website in the description. Go and take a look, see what they've got. As I say, switch mounts are now listed up on there as well. So if you are picking a Tamiya kit from them, don't forget to set your switch mount as well. Also, I've been working on a video for the ramps that I've got. You see, there's one here in the corner of the garage. It's another one that I've done because I'm running out of room on the shelf for the project, so I need to make some more room. Also went out the other week with my mate and his son, who I built the Poppy Playtime lunchbox for. So I had a little play about with that. Put a few running clips up of it now. I've also decided I'm going to modify one of my many TT01 kits, turn it into a rally car so I can stick this body on it, as these chassis are getting hard to find, so I want to keep this one in one piece. But we'll throw this body on. It's well used, does the job. I've also been working on designing some more wheels as well, so I've designed some of the Mondeo British Touring Car wheels as well, so I put a screen grab up of those. On the side of new projects, where I've done the OEM upgrades for the Peugeot 306 from Tamiya, I'm considering getting one of the Mark II Golf kits and making some big bumpers for those so they match the original car. What do you think? Let me know. Is it something you'd be interested in? And that's about it for this month. So a load of bits and pieces being worked on in the background and a few videos to come, including the build video on the ramp and the update on the Subaru. If you want to see some more progress on this and me attempting to drift it, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.